Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. We have done our chapter 1. So, today we'll start our chapter 2, Formulas and Functions in MS Excel. Okay? This chapter is completely practically based, but I am going to explain you. So, first of all, we will read what is formula in Excel. Okay, so those who are having computer, I hope some of the students are having laptop and computer at their home, so they can try these formulas so that you can better understand this chapter. So let's start this chapter. What is formula? A formula is a mathematical expression that includes operands and operators to evaluate the result. And your MS Excel 2013 provides many features that allows us to create and use formulas in Excel sheet. And formulas are used to perform calculations like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. With the help of formula, you can perform these calculations. In Excel, a formula always begins with equal to symbol. Without equal to symbol, it can't work. And this is followed by operands, that is known as cell address, and operators. Okay, you can see here, this is your equal to sign, equal to symbol. Our formula always begin with equal to symbol. And these are the operands, A1, C1. We can say cell addresses. Okay, and these are the mathematical operators. For multiplication we are using this sign, and these are called mathematical operators. And any variable on which operations are performed are called operands. Clear? Now the above example shows a formula containing operators, operands and equal to symbol for evaluating product on numbers. Now let us learn how to enter a formula in MS Excel 2013. Whatever you are doing, you should do on your laptop or computer system. Okay, try to understand this with the help of computer system. Those who are having computer, laptop, try to understand this chapter with the help of laptop or computer system. Okay, now entering a formula. In Excel worksheet, you can type a formula either in the formula bar or in cell. Okay, आप अपना फॉर्मूला बार में भी जाकर टाइप कर सकते हो और जिस सेल में आपको फॉर्मूला एंटर करना है वहाँ पर भी आप टाइप कर सकते हो. When you type formula in a cell, it also gets displayed in the formula bar. जब आप उस सेल में वो फॉर्मूला टाइप करोगे, it will also be displayed on formula bar. ठीक है. The formula bar consists of two buttons and they are enter button and cancel button. You can see this is the formula bar. आप अपनी बुक में चेक करोगे, पिक्चर में अगर आपको क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है, ओपन योर बुक्स एंड चेक इन योर बुक्स. ओके, दिस इज द enter button where right click, and this is your cancel button. Okay, so what is the function of enter button? This button evaluates the value of the formula. It works like pressing the enter key. Okay, what the function of जो भी function आपकी enter key का होता है वो यहाँ पर आपका enter button करता है. ठीक है. And with the help of cancel button you can cancel the operation which is to be performed. अगर आपने by mistake कुछ enter कर दिया है, you want to cancel that operation, so you can click on cancel button on formula bar. Clear? Now take one example. Suppose you want to calculate the sum of column price displayed in figure 2.1. Here you can see. So to enter formula, use the given steps. First of all, what you will do, click the cell where you want to display the total. Here you enter the items, pen, pencil, notebook, eraser, color box and scrapbook, and here you enter the prices of all. Now in last you want the total of all these items, all the prices you want to get the total. सो टाइप इक्वल टू साइन हेयर, ठीक है, आपको टोटल इसी सेल में चाहिए. सो हियर यू विल टाइप इक्वल टू साइन. क्लियर. नाउ टाइप द फॉर्मूला C2 C3. दिस इज द एड्रेस, है ना, सेल एड्रेस. सो C2 C3 प्लस C4 plus C5 plus C6 and plus C7. Okay. In this way you can get the sum. After typing the formula, when you will press enter key, it will show you the total price of items. Clear? The total gets displayed in cell 8. This is your cell address. Here you can see the number 8 and this is the C. Okay, so this is called C8 as shown in figure 2.2. Here you can see the total amount will be displayed. You may also perform the addition or any other operation by using the mouse. For example, in the given worksheet, to calculate the total marks of a students, you have to follow some steps. Click the cell H2 and type is equal to साइन. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पर कुछ एक स्टूडेंट्स दिए हैं और उनके मार्क्स दिए हैं इन फिगर 2.3. ओके, इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, कंप्यूटर, हिंदी, साइंस, यहाँ हर एक स्टूडेंट के अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स दिए हैं. अभी आपको टोटल मार्क्स को लेना है तो आप क्या करोगे, क्लिक द सेल H2 में आकर आप क्लिक करोगे एंड देन यू विल टाइप equal to sign, then click the cell C2. Here you will click. Okay, now to select another cell, first press plus symbol. Okay, if you want to select the another cell, you have to press plus symbol and then click the cell D2. Then you will come on D2 cell. Do the same to select the rest of the cells. Again you will press the plus symbol and you will come on E2 cell. Okay, so in this way you will select all the subject marks. Then you have to click on the enter button on the formula bar. Here you will type the enter button. The result will appear in cell H2. Here you can see हर एक स्टूडेंट का डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट का मार्क्स टोटल होकर आपको H2 में डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Similarly, in order to copy the formula into other cells, click the cell and then you can use the autofill handle symbol. It will appear on the right bottom corner of cell H2. Drag it down till last cell. The sum appears in the cell. अगर आपको बार बार formula type नहीं करना, you want that formula in other cells, then here you can see autofill handle tool. Just click on that tool. The sum appears in the cells. I hope this chapter is clear up to here. How we can enter the formula, how we can add the numbers, you will do yourself. Okay, then it will be more clear to you. Now moving to our next page, using text formulas. Okay, apart from numeric operations, we can also perform operation on टेक्स्ट. अभी तक तो हम न्यूमेरिक ऑपरेशंस पर आपको फॉर्मूला समझा रहे थे. अभी आप देखिए, आप कुछ एक फॉर्मूलाज टेक्स्ट पर भी लगा सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल, यू कैन कंबाइन द टेक्स्ट. अगर आपको टेक्स्ट को कंबाइन करके लिखना है तो वो आप कैसे कर सकते हो. द कंबाइनिंग ऑफ टेक्स्ट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्कैटिनेशन. we use the and symbol for concatenation. Okay, when you are combining the text, that is called concatenation, and we use the and symbol for concatenation. For example, enter two text values in cell A1 and B1. Here you can see in A1 you have written Sonam and B1 you have written Kapoor. Okay, and now you want to combine the text. Clear? Type the formula is equal to and then write A1 and then press this sign, then B1 in cell C1 and press enter key. Here you will type. It will display Sonam Kapoor in the cell C1. You can see that there is no space in between Sonam Kapoor because you have used concatenation and now it's showing the combined text. Clear? So in this way you can apply your formula on text also. Now children, I am sending one more video about clearing cell references, because अगर मैं अभी आपको ऐसे समझाऊंगी तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. For clearing this relative cell reference, absolute cell reference and mixed cell reference, we need computer or laptop. So I am sending you a video. I hope उस वीडियो से आपको ज़्यादा अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो आप to understand these three concepts, relative cell reference, absolute cell reference and mixed cell reference, you will see that video also. Okay, so try to understand this chapter up to here only. In my next video I'll explain rest of the chapter. Clear? Okay children, bye bye, take care.